Your nail polish and remover are probably the reason your nails are brittle and cracking. But don't just change polish, you can heal your nails first. First Aid Kiss is a nail strengthener that doesn't just cover up the problem. It acts to restore your nails to their natural health, even when harsh chemicals from polish and remover have left them dry, splitting, and brittle. You can gently heal them in just 4 weeks with First Aid Kiss so that your nails are smooth, strong, and have that beautiful shine again. Hundreds of thousands of women have fallen in love with Ella+Mila because not only does our eco and cruelty-free approach protect the planet, but it's also the best protection for your nails too. We believe that too many harsh chemicals are used in nail products to get a quick, flashy result, but at the cost of the long-term health of your nails. You can restore your nails in just a few weeks with First Aid Kiss. Click now to get your first bottle and check out over 200 shades of nail polish that will protect your nails after First Aid Kiss has worked its magic. With beautiful colors, all 17-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. You can also find us nationwide in these stores. Not only does First Aid Kiss restore your nail health in just 4 weeks, but it can also be used under your next few polishes to add an extra layer of strength and protection. Click now and bring damaged nails back to life with First Aid Kiss.